So I got few inquiring about how to upload the videos in my comment section. So here is the video. So if you are new to the KDP, or you have just started out, or you are struggling with KDP, still you have some confusions about how to upload the books, this video is for you. Okay, so follow up with me. So if you are new to the channel, thank you so much. My name is Priyanka Dubey, and I share all my knowledge, all my stuff related to KDP. So if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel. If you have already subscribed to my channel, if you're already supporting my channel, I am very thankful to you. So yeah, thanks once again. So let's get into the video without wasting much time. So what I'm going to do today in this video is going to upload a paperback book, and I'm going to take the example of my ruled notebook that I have already created in my previous videos. If you haven't watched it, I will leave the link in the description or somewhere in this screen, and you will get the access of that video. So in that video, I had created the cover for the ruled notebook, and I had also created the interior. Okay, so we have two things with us, that is the cover and the ruled notebook, and this is the thing that I'm only taking today into the consideration, and I'm going to upload it. Okay, so what you have to do is, if you have to go into Amazon KDP sign up, once you will go into the Amazon KDP sign up, you just have to, if you haven't created your KDP account, you have to just go ahead and you have to create your account. And if you have already created your account, you have to sign into your KDP account. Okay, so here you can sign in or sign up, it's up to you. Once you are done, you will get the link to reach out to this dashboard. Okay, now here I'm going to take the paperback, because in this video I'm going to create a paperback. If you are going to create hardcover, you can do that as well, but for now it's paperback. Okay, now in the book title is same as the title on your cover. So here the title is notebook, and remember, the cover title should be also on the spine. So here I have already explained in that previous video. So yeah, notebook is our title, and I'm just taking an example, so it is not like about the keywords and stuff, because obviously keywords stuff is going to take a lot of time, and I'm just making this video at the short, like a very short video. Now in the subtitle I can write gorgeous uh, gorgeous and cute pink floral ruled notebook, multi-purpose notebook, perfect gift idea for dad, for dad, son, mom, etc. Okay, so this is my subtitle. Now I will go ahead and I will go to the author or pen name. You can write according to you, but I'm just gonna write here pink floral designs. Okay, once it's done, you can go ahead and you can write the description. I have already discussed how to write the description, so I'm not going to explain over and again. I have already written this description for this book, so I will just go ahead and I will paste it. If you haven't watched the description video, I will leave the link in the description, so you can just go ahead and you can watch it. So this is the description. What I have done is I have just written a small features and 1 or 2 lines about it, and that's all. Then publishing rights is the I own the copyright and I hold necessary publishing rights. Publishing rights, if you are choosing the public domain, then it will be available for everyone and everyone can use your copy without your consent, and we do not want that. That's why we are choosing the I own the copyright and I hold necessary public rights, so that no one can copy, no one can steal your product. Okay, now coming to the keywords. Again, I have two videos up to for that keywords. First thing is the strategy that I use, and the second video is how I fill the 7 keywords. I will again leave the link in the somewhere in this screen or in the comment section or description. Please check it out. So I'm just gonna give you an example. For example, that it is a notebook. So I will go ahead and I can write workbook. I can write sorry, comma is not used, you just have to use the space. I can write Christmas presents, Thanksgiving. I can write mom, so mom dad we have already written, so I can write mother, father, flower designs. I can write garden related to the flowers. I can write herbs. Then I can write granny, grandmother, grandfather. I can write sister, son. Again, I can write here uh, baby pink, cover, black, because black is also in the cover, so I can write that also. I can write for writing notes, not comma, sorry, to do list, shopping list. List is already here, so I'm not going to repeat it. Grocery list, again it is list is here, so I'm not going to repeat it. What else we can write? You just have to think. Okay. You can write for example, what else? Let me think. Christmas, Thanksgiving, retirement gift. We can write surprise, and etc etc. Okay, so I'm just giving an example. If you are not able to think more, or if your keywords are like out of the stock, you can leave it. It is not necessary that you will fill everything. So yeah, that is what it is. Now coming to the categories, you can choose up to 2 browse categories. I have explained a lot of categories, a lot more of categories in the other video. I will leave the link. So here you can go to the choose categories and you can pick into the non-fiction, because obviously it is a non-fiction. And then you can go to the, you have two options here. You can go to into the crafts and hobbies, and you can choose from here. For example, not this one. What you have to choose only the relevant one, so you can choose the paper crafts, maybe, not sure about it, but you have to just give it some time and you have to use your brain and you have to pick the relevant two categories from here. You can also pick one, this one, that is the gardening. So in that case you can pick for example shrubs maybe, or from this one I can choose general maybe, because it is obviously I can uh, do a lot of things, so it can be up to the crafts and hobbies, and I will save it. Does this book contain language, situations, or images inappropriate for children under 18 years of age? So obviously it does not contain any of these things, so it will be no. Then we will go into the save and continue to the next step. Okay, once you are into the next step, you have to do the book requirements. Okay, so into the next step you have to assign a free KDP ISBN. Assign ISBN. If you have your own ISBN, you can use it that, but I do not have, so that's why I will take it from Amazon. Then you will move further. You can use your publication date, it is optional, but I do not use it, so I will leave it blank. Now in the print options, you can get ink and paper type. Remember, if you will choose more standard, the more printing cost will be. So for like notebook, I only suggest black and white interior, because this is the one that goes for notebook and generals, and it is the common one for that. So yeah, I will stick with that. Now we will move to another section, that is the trim size. Here we are going to choose 6 into 9 only, but you can select a lot of different sizes, which I have explained a lot in the cover video, so you can go and check it out. Now the bleed settings. Bleed settings is no bleed or bleed. Bleed is something where the lines or the images go to the extent of the image. For example, that if you have a cover, so your lines or your images are going to the end, but in no bleed it is away from the edges of the corners of the book. Okay, so this is no bleed. So in that case I am choosing bleed, because obviously it is a ruled notebook, so the ruling of the notebook will go up to the end of the pages, right? So that's why it is bleed. Now paperback cover finish, you can choose glossy or matte. I like matte because in matte it gives a lot of professional look to me, and it looks classy to me, so that's why I choose matte. But when you are choosing like children's book, you can go for glossy, because it goes for children's book. Now manuscript is the interior that we are going to upload. You can upload in the form of DOC, DOCX, HTML or RTF or whatever. We are going to upload our interior. So this is my interior, that is 6 into 9 120. If you want the access to this interior, you can go into my shop. I will leave the link in the description, and you can download it for free. Okay, so now once our manuscript will be uploaded, we will upload the book cover. It will take some time, so please bear with me. Okay, now if it is uploading, that's fine, it will get uploaded. Do not think much about like where it has gone or something like that. It will get uploaded. Now choosing the book cover, you are getting two options. You can launch cover creator. Amazon gives you a platform where you can design your cover creator, but I create my covers in Canva. Here it is, see, yeah. So I create my cover in Canva, so I have already cover with me. So, and this is our cover that we had created. So I will go ahead and I'll upload my cover file. It will be in the PDF form. It will take some time. If you have any other question, guys, let me know in the comment section below, because I pay attention to your comments, and if possible I create videos also related to it. So yeah, why it is taking so much of time? It is a kind of patience game, so you have to be somewhat patient for that. We will refresh it. Always remember, guys, that first you have to save the draft and then you have to refresh it. This is what I do. So once it's done, you have to, does your cover include a barcode? That means if you have already your barcode, you just have to check it, and then you have to put your barcode. But I do not have it, and I want that from Amazon, so I will leave it like this. And then we will go into the launch preview. Launch preview means that it will check that if your book is meeting the guidelines. Guidelines means that if it has any issue with it, if it has any formatting issue with it. So this is what it checks in the book preview. So yeah, it will take some time, so all we can do is to wait. So after the print preview, we can see that if it has any issues or not. You can see here that quality check, in the quality check it is saying that print preview didn't find any issue that will prevent you from submitting your book for publication. So that means it is fine. The spine text is also inside the prescribed area, and it is also doing fine. So it means our book is completely good. It is not cutting off. If it will sorry, if it will be cutting off from anywhere, you will get the notification out here. Okay, so it is fine for now. You just have to approve. Once you do that, you will get the third step. Okay, so our second slot is done, and you can see the printing cost is 2.29. So now let's go to the next step, that is pricing. Once you will go into the pricing, what I choose for my notebooks and my journals is 599 or 699, completely depending on the printing cost. So right now the printing cost is 2.28, I guess, sorry, 2.28 or 2.29, right? So, and here we can select minimum 3.82 or maximum 250. So obviously you can choose anything like 4.99, 5.99, 6.99, 8.99, whatever. I'm just picking 6.99. So, and also in the territories, I select all territories. Why? Because it is giving me the right to sell it to all over the world, and obviously we want to make good sales, we want to sell everywhere. That's why we will choose all territories, not individual territories. Okay, and in the primary marketplace I have chosen amazon.com. Why? Because I, first of all, amazon.com is the thing, is the place where a lot of people go to every single day, every single minute. So that's why I want to sell there. And the second thing is that I have done all my keywords and everything according to the amazon.com, so that's why I am picking amazon.com. And once you have selected the price, you can see that it will show all the prices in the all the marketplaces over here. And the expanded distribution is something which is available to the physical world, like the physical publishings. For example, here it is written online retailers, libraries, universities and booksellers beyond Amazon. So that's why some extra money does not hurt to anyone. So I will just simply check it up, like I'm allowing it to go for expanded distribution. And once the expanded distribution will take place, you will get a little bit of royalty, but a little income does not hurt. So yeah, why not? Right? So you can see that in the UK it is going for 5.20 and you are making 1.22. And similarly you can check all these things, and if you are satisfactory, you can go ahead and you can publish it. I'm not gonna publish it because obviously this is a demo notebook. So you can go ahead and you can publish book like that, and after publishing it can take up to 72 hours for your book to be available for purchase on Amazon. Until then, the book status will be in review, so do not panic. Sometimes it goes for like more than 72 hours, but just be patient and it will get reviewed and it will get published after 72 hours or even less. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. If it helped you, do not forget to support my channel and like my channel, share my channel, comment your views, your request, so that I can make another video for you guys. So yeah, that's all for the day, and I will see you in the